Lecture 8 worksheet. This is question 4. From a pool of 40 club members, the offices of President, Vice President, Secretary and Treasurer will be filled. In how many ways can the offices be filled? So what we have is a club with, let's say, 40 members, or 40 members who you think might be good at the job, and you're selecting 4. Now, in this case, the order matters. You are giving the people who are being selected specific roles. If the order matters, we call it a permutation. In this case, we have 40 people from which we're selecting 4. And there's a button on your calculator that'll do this for you. You hit 40 P4. Alternatively, we could use the formula. NPR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So in this case, it would be 40 factorial divided by 40 minus 4, which is 36 factorial. And what you should find is that you end up with well over 2 million different combinations of selecting those 4 offices on this committee.